Well, it's about 11 o'clock in the morning here. And this is my helper, Yogi. I'm going to go over here and take a peek at the truck. Got all the nuts and bolts sort of organized now. Different pieces here and there. Wiring. Some of this stuff belongs to my other truck, but most of the parts will fit. Here's looking down into the engine. Put a new gear drive starter on here, and it really works wonderful. It's been a while since I had this thing started up. Fires right up. Oh, we've got a window in now. Steering column. Radio. Still need to put the wiring harness in. I got an exhaust leak. But here's the dash. It was blue. I decided to paint it gray because just didn't look right with this color of blue that's on here. And the grill, I got some different headlights coming, some really nice projector beam headlights. And a whole lot better lights than these. These will always get full of water. In fact, you can see this one here is brand new. It's not even a year old and it's got water in it. I still have to paint these fenders, the hood, and this bed needs to be gone over. The bed won't be too bad. It just has a couple of small spots. Actually, I think it's on the other side. I can't see it here. This hood still needs to be painted. There's all the parts on the wall. Got stuff scattered everywhere in this house. And the whole upstairs is full of truck parts too. I got this steering wheel I painted. It'll look really nice when I get it actually hooked up to the steering wheel itself. You can see I've already painted it the color of the truck. I mean, that's going to be sweet. Gorgeous. Just got a few, oh, here. Parking brake. Different pieces here and there. Man, that exhaust stinks. Sorry, Yogi. Here, you want something to eat? Come here. Here we go. Got this chrome paint here from Rust-Oleum. And I tell you, from 10 feet away, it doesn't look half bad. I was surprised it looked so good. I might use it on some other pieces that I'm working on here. But, oh man, maybe by spring I'll have this thing so I can drive it around. May not have a bed on it, but at least I'll have it so I can, move it back and forth and work on it some more. It's just a beautiful day here. Strangest winter I've ever seen. Now, this is my other truck. It's sitting out here. I moved the cab out of the garage because I was just covered up with parts. I couldn't move. So, anyway, that's where we're at right now. Until next time.